Start creating e-learning content faster with iSpring Suite. Whether you're a corporate trainer, instructional designer, or just getting started with e-learning, iSpring Suite helps you turn ideas into interactive courses quickly and professionally. iSpring Suite gives you everything you need to build and publish engaging e-learning courses, all from within PowerPoint. It's packed with tools for building interactive courses, ready-to-go design assets, and cloud storage for easy collaboration with your team. Because it works inside PowerPoint, you don't need to learn a new tool or start from scratch. You can take your existing slides and enhance them with quizzes, interactions, and multimedia, all without leaving your familiar workflow. If you don't have your own slides to start with, no problem. iSpring also includes professionally designed templates you can customize in seconds. These templates aren't just good to look at, they're built with learning science in mind. You can choose layouts that guide attention, reduce cognitive load, and make your content more memorable. iSpring Suite also gives you access to a huge content library with thousands of assets ready to use. You will find characters, backgrounds, objects, and icons that help bring your course to life. Easily add these to your slides, then resize and drag them into position. No design skills needed. Want to make complex topics easier to understand? Choose from a range of simulations and interactions to bring your content to life. Add natural sounding AI voiceover using text-to-speech.
No need to hire voice artists.
Record your screen, webcam, or both, and edit everything with the built-in video editor. It's perfect for walkthroughs, demos, and adding a personal touch. Use the quiz feature to test understanding with multiple question types and give instant feedback to reinforce learning. You can also add role-play scenarios. These scenarios are especially powerful for soft skills training, like customer service, compliance, or leadership. You can create realistic conversations with multiple outcomes, helping learners build confidence before they face real-world situations. For example, learners can practice handling a difficult customer by choosing how to respond and seeing the consequences of their choices in real time. No matter what device your learners use, computer, tablet, or smartphone, iSpring Suite automatically adjusts the course to fit the screen. Learning on the go? No problem. iSpring Suite works with all major learning management systems, including their own platform, iSpring Learn. So you can track completion rates, quiz scores, learner progress, all in one place. It's ideal for compliance training, onboarding, or any program where results matter. When you're ready to publish, iSpring gives you multiple options. Export your course to SCORM, API, or HTML, or even a standalone video. This makes it easier to share your content on any platform, whether it's an LMS, a website, or a shared drive. iSpring's support team is consistently rated as one of the best in the industry. With live chat, email, and phone support, help is always just a click away. Whether you need technical assistance or just a bit of guidance, their team is fast, friendly, and incredibly knowledgeable. You will also find a rich knowledge base, video tutorials, and an active user community, so you're never left on your own. Want to try iSpring Suite yourself? Click the link below to get started with a free trial. Create faster, engage better, teach smarter with iSpring Suite.